Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by diagnosing and minimizing damage immediately. First, power down the monitor and reduce brightness to about 30%. This lowers heat stress, which matters because pixels age faster when hot. Next, check whether the symptom is image persistence or true burn-in by displaying a full white screen for 1 minute. Image persistence often fades. Finally, note your panel type and model. OLED behaves differently than IPS because the repair steps and expected outcomes depend on that distinction. Once done with initial checks, run the monitor's built-in pixel refresh or compensation cycle. This equalizes charge across the panel and often helps. If no tool exists, run moving color test patterns, bright, shifting gradients for 1 to 3 hours. Motion prevents fixation by exercising pixels. For LCDs, you can try a pixel fixing program for short bursts, but avoid aggressive flashing on OLED because harsh drives accelerate wear. Make sure to take 5-10-minute breaks every hour to prevent overheating. Finish by assessing results after extended cycling. If the ghost image fades within 24 to 48 hours, the issue was persistence. If not, you're likely facing permanent burn-in and need a panel repair or replacement. Before you call support, test the monitor with another computer and different resolutions to rule out GPU or OS overlays. Make sure to photograph the issue, note times and steps you took, and contact the manufacturer. Warranty or paid replacement options vary by panel type and age.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.